Alright, just took it out of the box. Alright, so it actually comes out of the box just like this. We just moved the tires and took the plastic off, but it actually comes together. Alright, wanted to make a quick video during the day so you could see it a little better. So the assembly was actually really easy. So it pretty much comes out of the box fully complete except for the tires, which is super easy. You literally, for the back, you put a rod through it and then you connect the wheels or tires with a little nut. And in the front, pretty much same thing. Instead of a rod, you just, these little arms right here, you can't see them because they go into here. It's just, you stick them in there and you put a bolt on the other side of this right here. That's pretty much it. So it probably takes you longer to get it out of the box than it does putting it together. Me and my brother-in-law were worried about that because it's actually for my nephew and it hasn't been ridden yet because he's getting it for his birthday, and we thought it was going to take a couple hours to do. It took 20 minutes. I mean, you don't even need the directions almost. So I will have some footage of him driving it once he gets it. The doors do open. It has like a little toolkit that comes with it. The battery is under the seat. It comes with the charger. And you know, it does have real shocks, which is pretty cool. Overall, it's pretty nice. It's pretty big, and the video probably didn't do it justice, but it is a big RC thing. Power wheels, whatever you want to call it. But you should love it. And so at night, which you'll see in the night video, these light up. You know, the headlights light up, the tail lights light up, and then the little steering wheels just lights up. So and you can adjust the volume. So on the noise. So if they're playing inside and it's too loud, you can adjust it. And then also, I know you can upgrade to rubber tires from other videos I have seen on YouTube. We're just going to run the plastic ones that came with it for now. I need to do a little bit more research and find out how they're doing it, but if I end up doing that, I will definitely make a video and share how to do it. Yeah, overall, this thing is pretty awesome. And like I said, I'll know more once he drives it. You know, I'll give you the pros and cons and all that. So I'll keep you posted. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll answer them. Thank you. Okay, I wanted to give you a quick little demonstration with the lights.